So hey, I'm Austin Gurley with Robotically. We're showing off our teleoperated task training robot at CES for the first time. So we've been around for about 3 months developing these machines for about 6, so first time here. So what you can see is anything that I do on the one side, it gets copied on the other end, both the positioning wherever I move it or the forces. So like if I come over here and I grab the plastic block versus the metal block, I can feel the difference, feel the weight. And so there's 2 ways to use this. You can either use it to remote control a task, like exactly what I'm doing. We got a little demo just here across the table, but we've tested operating this up to 1,000 miles away. It gets on Wi-Fi, and you can connect to anywhere, so you can remote control work. Or what you can do is, since you have the kind of dexterity and the feeling, you can move around and do simple assembly tasks and things manually and record it and replay it, so you don't have to write any code. It's really easy to get into robotics. So a pair of these machines right now is about $10,000, which is quite fair compared to other industrial robots, and you add in the benefit of being able to train it yourself, reuse it for different tasks, or get going very quickly. That's our value proposition on the industrial side. So